Introduction. Hello and welcome to today's video on how to protect your skin in summer. Summer is the time when we all love to enjoy the sun, beach, and outdoor activities. However, it is essential to take care of your skin as prolonged sun exposure can damage your skin and lead to premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. In this video, we will share some tips on how to protect your skin during the summer months. Tip 1. Wear sunscreen. The first and foremost step to protect your skin is to wear sunscreen. Choose a sunscreen with a high SPF of at least 30 or higher and apply it 20 to 30 minutes before stepping out in the sun. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. Tip 2. Cover up. The next tip is to cover up your skin as much as possible. Wear lightweight, long-sleeved shirts, pants, and a hat to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important for overall health, but it is also crucial for maintaining healthy skin during summer. When you're dehydrated, your skin becomes dry, which makes it more prone to damage from the sun. Tip 4. Avoid peak sun hours. The sun's UV rays are strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. It is best to avoid prolonged sun exposure during these hours. If you must go out, seek shade under an umbrella or tree to minimize your exposure. Tip 5. Use protective accessories. In addition to wearing sunscreen and covering up, use other protective accessories such as sunglasses and a UV protective umbrella to minimize the sun's impact on your skin. Tip 6. Avoid tanning beds. Tanning beds are not a safe alternative to getting a natural tan. They expose you to harmful UV rays, increasing your risk of skin cancer and premature aging. Conclusion. In conclusion, protecting your skin during summer is essential to maintain healthy and youthful looking skin. Remember to wear sunscreen, cover up, stay hydrated, avoid peak sun hours, use protective accessories, and avoid tanning beds. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the summer sun while keeping your skin safe and healthy. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful.